Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I will show you how to adjust line spacing for text in Canva, and you can do it using iPhone. For example, for a text like this, you can see that the line spacing is too narrow and it looks like every spacing it's laying on top of the other. So what you can do here is click on the text and then see on the editing options below here. You have to look for spacing options. So I'm going to swipe left a little bit, and there you have it, spacing option. Just click on that spacing and then look at the line spacing. You have to look that it's now on 0.76. So to make it spacious, you have to adjust it, make it much spacious than 0.70. So I'm going to make it 1.22, and you can also adjust the letter spacing like this, and then you're done. So that's how you adjust line spacing in text using your iPhone in Canva. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in another tutorial videos from this channel. Bye guys.